Aware of the situation. The global pandemic has exacerbated mental health challenges. Further, it has increased the academic divide. I've had students say to me, Ms. Lloyd, I'll get it together academically after the pandemic. I'll get structure when we resume classes. Of course, they learned that they had to adjust to the new normal. They had to find a way to create their own structure. They had to find a way to rise to the challenge, and they did. Complication. Students who lack resources, all the resources that we could think of, may be at a greater risk to falling through the cracks. The question is, how can we have mental health support and academic support systems that track students' self-efficacy, their grit, self-esteem, whether or not they have anxiety, or even tell in advance if they have suicidal thoughts? How can we do that without waiting for students to be failing, not attending school, and suddenly have to be brought to mental health or crisis services? It doesn't happen suddenly. It's a buildup. At the Robinson Lloyd Resiliency Group, our answer is to be able to assess our students' self-efficacy, grit, self-esteem, anxiety, and depression levels before they participate in our Resilient Stars or Resilient Warriors programs. We would like to know if they have any suicidal ideation that we could take action. We would like to know how our program could be tailor-made or customized to each student to build areas of self-efficacy, which really is about their own empowerment, their own belief that no matter what happens in life, not even a pandemic is going to keep them from achieving what they were sent to achieve, their purpose. And they learn the skills, self-awareness skills. They learn resiliency skills in a nutshell. They learn how to apply themselves, how to think critically about their own day-to-day challenges. They learn how to do this using our role plays, using our case studies, practicing the right and the wrong way of communicating to someone else. We challenge them. We also provide academic support services by focusing on the major core competency, math skills. They learn fundamental skills as well as are encouraged and their sense of confidence is developed. We would like you to meet with us so that we could facilitate understanding how to best meet your needs. We have results. We have tracked our results, and we have seen that our solutions are proven because we use evidence-based modalities such as cognitive behavioral therapy and motivational interviewing. We could provide our student testimonials, our parent testimonials, our teacher testimonials, our principal testimonials, as well as testimonials from CEOs. I am Tonya Robinson Lloyd, CEO of the Robinson Lloyd Resiliency Group, where we empower students with proven solutions.